Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp chat messages to Google Drive. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to just open up the WhatsApp and you're going to go ahead to your settings. In the settings, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the chat. In the chats, what you're going to do, you're going to just scroll a little bit down into archiving all the chats and you're going to just go ahead and archive all. Okay, and after you're archiving all the chats, you're gonna just go ahead into export chat, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here recent chat and everything, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just choose the chat that you want to archive on your Google Drive. Let's say for example I want to archive this chat, right? And basically what's gonna happen, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click the chat, and it's gonna open up a new window for you. Save it to your chat, or better, you could just go back right here and cancel the steps, okay? And basically right here you're gonna see many apps, right? And just go ahead and add it to your Google Drive like this. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.